Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the notification indicator on your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch and yes, you should open it. And here you just have to go to the settings menu. And in the settings menu, just tap on the notifications, and the notification indicator is going to be the first option. So when you turn this option on, a red dot can appear at the top of your watch, your watch face, when you have unread notifications. Swipe down to view them. So when you see the red dot on the top of your watch screen, you can swipe down and read your notifications. As you can see, the dot should be here where the lock is right now. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.